first one, whether it comes in Mentos.
That was awesome! I love your experiment.
Okay, how about we say some more?
Are you a science girl?
Yeah,
Say, I'm a science girl.
I know.